the symmetry with this quadratic equation? This equation looks a graph something like this. This coordinate there is going to be your vertex. This line that goes up and down is your axis of symmetry. Remember, the equation of a line that goes up and down that only touches the x-axis is only going to have the x in it. So these equations are like horizontal lines, the one that goes up and down. If you look, let me graph it actually on the calculator. I think I have it graphed already for you. If you look at this, I found the minimum. I went here, analyze graph, found the minimum, went here, here. I did it 3 times already. Wow. What's the x value? So here's your x value, right? So we're going to go not this one, not this one. We will go with that one. Boom. Finally, we found it. C. Which is the equivalent. So on this one real quick, it's pretty easy. Just come out here and distribute. And then we'll go with 6x squared. I'm looking for that already. This times that gives me minus 10x. This times this gives me plus 3x. This times this gives me a negative 5. Putting these two together, we'll have 6x squared in the beginning. These two together give me a negative 7x minus 5. And there it is. So boom. This one's pretty easy, guys. Shaded above, so that means y is greater than, and solid line equal sign. So you want something like that. This one, no. This one's actually facing the other way. And these are not solid lines, so these are automatically. This one doesn't even have a y. If you divide by 5 here, divide by 5 here, divide by 5 here, you wind up with y is what we want. Let's see. This one's pretty easy. I'm sure there's some hand. This one's sneaky, guys. It's saying x is equal to 3.5. Right? It says that right here. And I was asking, what's my y? So just get over here and go 2y is equal to 4 times 3.5 plus 6. This gives me 2y is equal to 2 of these is 7, 14. Plus 6, 2y is equal to 20. Divide by 2, divide by 2, we'll go with y is equal to 10. Okay, let's see what this one is. An airplane ticket to Orlando, Florida costs $1 per person. So $130 per person, my bad. So I'm looking for that one. The airline company charges $50 per suitcase. So like S or luggage. Let me see. L for luggage. Okay. So this goes good. If Mr. Leal wishes to spend no more than, so they don't want more, they want less than. I think this is my answer. He doesn't want to spend more than 800. This one's saying that 800 is the biggest he'll go, and that this stuff is acceptable if it's below. I like that one. This one says that 800 is the lowest he'll spend, and he wants to really spend more. So that one's wrong. Okay, ooh, this one's really easy, thank God, because what happens with this one, I can just go out here, oops, right there. I'm going to turn it on, I'm going to go to the calculator, and do I want to save the old stuff? Do I want to save the old stuff? Of course not. I'm going to go to the calculator, I'm going to go to menu, 3, 2. Here we're going to go 3, ooh, my bad. 3y plus 2x equals 8. Over here we have 2x minus y equals 0. The answer is 1, 2. Ooh, particle D. Right there, letter D is the answer, just letter D. Okay, so what do I tell you on this one? Sky's the limit. How you want to do this? This here you should know from elementary is 0.66. Usually you go like something like that and they round it, right? Rate of change. You need to understand that. Which of the 4 data tables have the rate of change or an m of that much, right? Oh no, like that. So you can actually do the work here. Or don't worry about it and just go to calculator. With some spreadsheets. Now I'm going to show you something cool. Because you know it's linear. All I gotta do is check the first numbers. Now I'm gonna tell you this much: 1, 1, 4, 2. Come here, go to menu. 4, 1. The rate of change is linear. 3. Put B. Control here. M to B. That's 1/3. So that's not it. So all I'm gonna do now is change these numbers. 0, 4. All right, so look, it's already changing this information, and that's what you want. 4, 11. -3. -1. 0, 1. Oh, that's my answer right there. -3. Whoa, yeah. -3, 1, 0, 1. -3, 1, 0, 1. Yeah. So my answer is LC. Okay, 9. Which linear equation has a slope of -2 and passes through the point? Ooh. Okay, slope of a -2. Okay, so and regarding that, you would like for it to be y equals mx plus b, right? And a -2x is what you want here. Secretly looking at these, not secretly, but obviously looking at them, for each one of these, for each one, they're all set up the same. I would just do -2x, right? And -2x. So I would have y, and this just for this one right here, y is equal to a -2x minus 8. For this one here, I have y is equal to a -2x minus 18. Here I have y is equal to -2x. They all have a negative slope, okay? And then what? -2. And then y is equal to a -2x minus 6. Now we need to basically figure out which of these can I plug in as far as which equation and all these would actually give me the answer. A true statement. How about that? A true statement. When I say the answer, like if I plug in -2 right here, and I have 2 times a -2 plus a -4, the answer, whatever I get here, is that equal to a -18? Yes or no? That's what I mean. So does it give you a true statement? If it gives you a true statement saying they're equal, then it's true. So this one gives me a -4 minus a 4, and that's not equal. That one's not the answer. We'll go over here, -2, oh, sorry about that. 2 times a -2 plus a -4, is that equal to a -8? Ooh, that's my answer. So look at this, -4 plus a -4 equals a -8. Cha-ching. There it is. I'll prove the rest wrong if you want. Becomes 2 times a -2 minus a 4 equals, or plus a -4 equals to a -2. Is that true or false? This is actually a -4. -4 gives me a -8, so no. Same setup gives me a -8 is equal to a -6. No, no bueno. Last one over here, it's going to say, is this thing, what's the best prediction? Okay, not too bad. You do get this one, guys. If you do, just draw a straight line through it. Kind of like that. Let me see, maybe. You want the line to go through the main idea, like some above, some below. How many do I have above? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, oh, that's 8. Okay, we're going to go somewhere in that area, okay? Okay, 135 would be, about 140. 135-ish. So maybe somewhere in this area. Right below 50. If y'all don't mind, y'all don't like that one, jeez, I'm sorry. I'm going to go with about B. Forgive me. Okay, cool. What up, BB?